Hello guys, tonight or today, whatever time it is for you, we are playing Kitty Island. This game, I kid you not, is 1 cent on the eShop. 1 cent. You can literally get that with like one golden coin, which is, if you don't know, it's just like, whenever you make a purchase, you get like golden points, and yeah. They're like normally for cent, and that's useless normally. But yeah, it's a whole game. So if you're new here, like and subscribe if you can. Yeah, this has the same menu music from another game they've made, so I already like that. There should be no copyright music, so. Yeah, I know guys, finally a game I can play with no copyright. It's like so amazing. Meow meow. I've never played this before, so I don't know. The music right now is the same from another game they made, like I said, another cheap game. And I really liked that game for how cheap it was. So I'm so glad that they made like kind of a sequel, but you're a cat. Okay. I need these coins. I don't know what they're for, but I feel like I just need them. What's down there? Okay, that is Spike. I actually love this music. Oh man. Oh, ouch. Just one life. So right now B seems to be the only button I can use. Oh man. Oh, get the crystal. I guess that's what it said, crystal. I don't like the way it randomly makes me look up and down. I really don't like that. Like if I barely hold down, boom, I'm just looking down now. That is my life. Like, I really hate it. I don't think there's a way to turn it off either. Man, that's sad. Super mode. Oh, the super mode sound is annoying. And like if I hold down the slightest bit, it makes me look down. And I like, oh, okay, we're turning this. And I like can't jump or do anything. So I don't like looking down. Oh, I did not even mean to see that or do that. So I guess the goal in this game is to collect all the crystals in every level. Oh. Yeah, the other game they made, I have been talking about. I think it's called Raphael's World. Same art style and everything. I don't know. I like being a little meowy cat. Crystal found. Let's see, what is this yarn ball? I guess just, yeah, the end of level. So I definitely missed some crystals. I don't know where they could have been, but. Spider. Maybe some of the enemies are even the same. Also, stop making me look down. I see a crystal I missed. Man. Okay. If I look down one more time, I'm gonna lose my mind. Ba, 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 ba. Ouch. Oh, why are I don't, oh. So, like, I don't like some of the ways the crystals are hidden. They're just, like, most of the time in the wall. Oh, yeah, super mode is on. Okay, so holding Y lets you run. Normally ZO and Y would let you run in most games, but it seems to just be Y. So far, for 1 cent, this is a steal. The thumbnail was AI, but like not on the main like switch menu, so they also made another 1 cent game, but press A to enter. First I'm gonna get this life. This is different. What is it? Oh, new music. Let's hope it's not copyrighted. I like it. Oh yeah, let's do this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Collect all the coins. That's my goal in here. See the way out, but ooh, oh no. Glad I collected that 1 life before coming in here. You know what? No, let's just go out. Oh, ouch. Wow. Oh my goodness. Almost hit me. Little snake. I think that's what it is. Maybe he's like a big worm, but I think it's a snake. Me up there. I don't know what that little boost was for, but it was there, so I used it. Because, like, why not? Okay. Some coins. Sorry, I kind of forgot I was recording. I'm still... Oh, I'm at 1 life. That is really bad. Oh man, main menu. What level was I on? Level 1? Oh. Oh, okay. I was like, how am I on level 1? But no. If I was on level 1, this game is too big. Too many things. We're gonna try to get past world 1. In this video. Super mode. We can jump off spikes. Yeah, everyone get out of my way. Get out of my way, everyone, because I'm super mode. Super cat, super mode. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, super mode is gone, but... Oh my goodness, I'm at 1 heart again. Oh my... I'm so bad. I'm trying to complete this world fast for you guys, and it's not going well. Let me just take my time. Now that I know I can run, yeah, it's very nice. Very easier from the beginning of when I was playing this. Oh my goodness. Super mode. Speedrun. Speedrun with super mode on. Ow. Okay, I gotta actually be careful. Finally. Let's check the levels. Okay, this is the last, level of this world. Oof. Yes, I can't resist the castle doors. Oh my goodness, how did I avoid that? I'm actually the best Kitten Island player ever. That is not the truth. Sorry, I had to look at the name of the game because I had forgot. Oh! Ah, but then I get my heart back, you see. Boink. Ooh. Boink. I'm not worried about getting all the crystals. I'm just worried about making it to the end, right there. Oh, yes, I love this music too. Okay, but that's all for this video. I guess I'll continue on this game eventually. Let's just... Oh my goodness. Okay, there's 3 worlds, so there should be 3 videos. So yeah, that's the end of, I guess, part 1 of 3 of Kitten Island, the 1-cent Nintendo Switch game. If you haven't, or you can, like and subscribe. And yeah, I'm at 3 subscribers when I post this, so that's rather sad. Goodbye.